Welcome to part 3 of my PLL tutorial using slow motion. Today we'll be covering the last 7 of the 21 PLL cases. The first one we're going to take a look at is called an E permutation. And what it does is it swaps this corner for that corner and this corner for this corner. Now you can recognize this because right away you'll see that all of these center pieces are matched up. But sometimes when you're done your OLL, they won't be matched up. In that case, you can recognize this because nothing will seem like it's in place. But just turn it back and then you can start your algorithm from there. You want to position the cube so the pieces that need to be swapped are up and down from each other, not right to left. But how are you supposed to know which pieces need to be swapped? Well, the way that I tell very quickly is if this is the green side, you can see that the top corner here has green on it, and so does this one. So if you were to swap those, that would make this correct. Same with this side. See, there's blue here and in the blue corner. However, if you were to turn it like this, you would see that the orange side is here and there's a red piece. That does not need to be swapped, these two. So turn it like this. So the pieces that need to be swapped are on the left and the right, up and down from each other. I want you to turn the cube towards yourself, and this is the algorithm performed at regular speed. And now in slow motion. Okay, I want you to pay attention to my left ring and my right ring finger. Here my left ring finger throws the bottom out, and here my right ring finger is going to do it again. So whenever you see me doing a D move, I'm using either my left or my right ring fingers. Alright, the next algorithm we're going to look at is called a V permutation. And as you can see, just like the A permutations, it's got this 2x1 block here that is correct, and these two that are out. However, on the A permutations, these two are the same colors, but on the V permutation, these are different colors, and that's how you can recognize this one. I want you to turn the cube so it's towards you, and one of the colors is here and one of them is there, and this is the algorithm at regular speed. And now in slow motion. Okay, coming up here, I'm going to use my right ring finger right here, and it moves both the middle and the bottom layers. Okay, the next algorithm we're going to look at is called an F permutation, and what it does is it swaps this corner for this corner and this edge for this edge. And this one is very easily recognizable because on one side it'll be completely finished, and on the opposite side it's just this middle piece that is put in. So it's these two that are out, these two 2x1 blocks. And I want you to position the cube so this back finished piece is in the back. And this is the algorithm at regular speed. Now in slow motion. Okay, just like in the last algorithm, I'm going to use my right ring finger again to throw over the bottom two layers, right there. Just so you're aware, that's how I'm doing it. Alright, the next algorithms we're going to look at are called the G permutations. Now there are 4 of these, and in my opinion, they are the most difficult to execute and they take the most time to learn. The way that you can recognize a G permutation is by looking around the cube. You can see that you have headlights here, and you have a 2x1 block along with the headlights. Now, there's 4 different positions that the 2x1 block can be in. They can be where they are, they can be in this position, they can be these two pieces, and they can also be these two pieces. This one is called GA, where they're on the left, the headlights are on the left, and the 2x1 block is closest to you on the right. And I want you to position the cube so the headlights are always to the left in every one of these algorithms. This is what the algorithm looks like at regular speed. And now in slow motion. Alright, the next G permutation is called GB. And again, you put the headlights on the left, but now you'll see that the 2x1 block is moved to the back right side. And again, you're going to position it so the headlights are on the left, and this is the algorithm at regular speed. Now in slow motion. Okay, the next one is GC. And again, the headlights are on the left, and you'll notice that the 2x1 block is now in front of us. This is the algorithm at regular speed. And now in slow motion. Alright, the last one is called GD, and of course the headlights are on the left, but now the 2x1 block is on the right side in the back. And this is what the algorithm looks like at regular speed. And now in slow motion. Okay, I hope you enjoyed my PLL tutorials, and I will see you next video.